Namaste on Tourism Queen. Today we are going on a trek to Malhargarh, which is very close to Pune. If you have not yet subscribed to our Tourism Queen YouTube channel, subscribe it now and like us on Facebook page and follow us on Instagram. I'm Dipali Fadnis. So let's go on a trek to Malhargarh. I am at Malhargarh. You can see behind, it's a Malhargarh. It's very close to Pune city. I think I just traveled 10 to 12 kilometers from Pune city. It is very recent fort. It is built around 1757. It is actually built in 757, and this Malhargarh is built by Peshwas. It's very beautiful fort. Very good. If you want to have a quick walk or quick trekking. It's very close by Pune city. So let's go inside and see what's there on Malhargarh. We have trekked almost half of this Malhargarh. And this is Chor Darwaja. We are going on the top of this fort. This fort is not really very difficult and doesn't require very long trekking. So let's get in. I think this is a Malhar temple. This fort is actually named after this temple. This temple is for god Malhar. There is a well over here. I think this is the third well that I'm seeing on this Malhar fort. This is quite deep. There is a water inside. And I think this is a drinking water, and that's why they have mentioned here that do not leave your feet inside. You can see it's written in Marathi because this is a drinking water. This is so far the third Burj that I have seen. I'm not sure how many Burj are there. Burj means basically a tower from where actually soldiers used to watch. It is basically a watchtower. Wonderful. So this goes down. I'm going top of this Darwaja, a tower. You can see quite a many tourist visitors here. And there is the entrance door. We will go there down. This is the Malhar temple, and this is a tower, watchtower. We are now walking towards this magnificent flag. Wow. Another Burj. Magnificent. You must read the message written out here. We have almost reached the top of this Malhargarh. This is quite a sunny day, and you can see behind this Kesari flying higher and higher at the top of this Malhargarh. It's flying so beautifully. It is so magnificent. Kesari is basically a symbol of sacrifice. Kesari is a symbol of dharma. The color of rising sun is Kesari, and that's why this is at the top of this fort, Malhar Fort. I think almost all forts of in Maharashtra are been, all the forts have this flag, the Kesari flag on top of it. It is flying so beautifully at the top of this fort. It looks so magnificent and you feel so good when you come at this top of this Malhargarh. This Malhargarh is not very difficult. It's very close to Pune city, and it takes around 1 hour to be here, to reach here. It's a very beautiful place. You have these cuckoos, these birds, chirping birds here, the fresh air flowing. It's a beautiful experience. You know, one point that you should strictly note that you are not going to bring any plastic over here, and if at all you are bringing, you're not going to throw it back. Don't make it picnic place. This is a fort. This is our pride, the pride of our nation, and it's our responsibility to preserve it. So we have almost done our trek towards this Malhargarh, which is close to Pune. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, Tourism Queen, make sure that you subscribe our YouTube channel, Tourism Queen, and like us on Facebook. Namaste.